Hi, my name is Eric LeBeau, and welcome to the Power of Unified Communication series. Over the next 9 months, we'll be developing short 5-minute videos on a series of unified communications topics that will help both our installed base clients leverage their existing unified communication solution, as well as our prospects to justify an investment in a unified communication solution. Today's topic is on the value of virtualization. In this session, you're going to learn about a Spanlink customer who saved roughly $3 million by virtualizing their contact center. You're going to learn how to do it, and you're going to learn how Spanlink can help. The first thing we need to do is we need to define what virtualization means, because it can mean a number of different things inside of a contact center. What we're not talking about today is virtualized agents or home-based agents. What we're talking about today is the idea of taking two separate contact centers inside one organization that can either be geographically separated or could be potentially inside the same organization. Think of them as silos. And the idea of virtualization is to break down those silos with the power of unified communications and voice over IP, and leveraging the applications to bring those contact centers, those agent pools together. The key issues driving virtualization today is really all around cost containment and cost avoidance in the future. Most contact center managers today do not want to reduce their headcount. There's major demands on that agent pool from their customer base. On the other hand, they want to avoid having to add a significant number of agents moving forward into the future as the call volumes increase. So the question is how do you leverage your existing agent pool and increase their productivity so that with that same number of agents, you're able to take on more contacts coming inside of the contact center. So let me give you an example of a Spanlink customer that realized the financial benefit of going virtual. This customer had two disparate contact centers geographically separated. The first contact center had roughly 145 agents and was managing approximately 1,800 calls per hour. The second contact center had roughly 70 agents and was managing approximately 900 calls per hour. Combined, those two contact centers were managing roughly 2,700 calls per hour. Once we virtualized both contact centers and brought them together, we had a combined agent pool of 215 agents. And by using the law of large numbers, we were able to gain a 2.7% agent productivity increase, which allowed us to handle 2,900 calls during a busy hour. What that 2.7% productivity increase meant to this customer on the bottom line was roughly a $600,000 per year cost avoidance. Over a 5-year period, this particular customer saved roughly $3 million. The technologies that make virtualization possible really is voice over IP and being able to leverage the data network inside the organization, number one. And number two, the intelligence inside the Cisco contact center applications that give the contact center the ability to very quickly determine what is the right agent inside the organization to deliver a call to, regardless of where that agent is geographically. And it's those applications and that intelligence inside the applications that allows a contact center manager to blend what used to be disparate agent pools together into one virtual pool. It's pretty simple to calculate the financial impacts of going virtual. You're going to need 6 pieces of information, and they are as follows: cost per call, load and agent cost, number of contact center sites, your service level, how many agents per site handle the same call type, average handle time per call, and your call volume forecast over the next 5 years. One of the ways in which you'll be able to measure success is through tools that Spanlink provides you. Number one, we'll be able to sit down with you using calculators to help you determine what the financial impact will be of virtualizing your contact centers. And we'll create financial models for you that will allow you to both forecast and measure progress against your virtualization efforts. Come back and visit us next month when we talk about the power of home-based agents.